Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard in Valorant. Start by rebooting your PC and checking Windows Update for pending installs. Then open Services and ensure Riot Vanguard service is running, and reinstall Vanguard from the Riot Games folder if it fails. Keep drivers current, especially network and chipset drivers, and temporarily disable conflicting software like third-party anti-cheat or virtualization tools before testing the game. Run command prompt as administrator and use sc start VGC if the Vanguard service is stopped, or use programs and features to uninstall Riot Vanguard and reinstall via the Valorant launcher. Check Device Manager for driver warnings and update those drivers through Windows Update or manufacturer tools. If issues persist, perform a clean boot to isolate software conflicts and test Valorant after each change to identify the culprit. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system integrity if Vanguard fails due to corrupted files. Review Windows security for features like controlled folder access or credential guard that can block Vanguard and adjust settings accordingly. If permission problems persist, create a fresh Windows user profile and test Valorant there, which can reveal profile-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.